Good morning, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and today is cruise day. Today we're heading to go to Charleston, South Carolina, where we're going on the Carnival Sunshine. This is a girls trip, and it's my sister's birthday on Valentine's Day. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button below and hit the bell notification so you'll get notified when there are future videos coming out. So let's get started with our trip. This is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and this is a tour of balcony room 6251 on the Carnival Sunshine. When you walk in, you first see a bunch of cabinets, and I'm going to show you this cabinet right here, this closet. It has a safe that you would put in a code to access, and then there's shelves here. And because our luggage is right here, I'm not going to move it, but you have two large closets also beside that closet. And these closets offer area for your hanging outfits and clothes. Next, you'll come into the bathroom. The one thing that I do like about the bathroom on this ship are the shelves they put by the sink, which are perfect for putting your toiletry items. And of course, you have a sink. You have your area for your trash can. And then you have towel racks. And then you have your shower. And the shower has a curtain, but it's a nice size shower. And in the shower, you have shower gel and shampoo. When you go further into your balcony cabin, we have our room set up for two twin beds because it's my sister and I, and it's her birthday. So I'll show you what some of the birthday decorations look like. And she's sitting out there enjoying the sunshine. And there's a table. Those are some more of her gifts that she got with the birthday package. She got a beach towel and a frame, a picture frame. There's a stool right here, and you can use the stool, you know, at the vanity area, which I'll show you in a minute. There's a couch, and then over the couch and over each bed are lights. And there's a little switch for turning off the lights. The small cabinet under the vanity area can be moved and used as a bedside table between the two beds. Moving over to this side, excuse our things, we just came in, so we have some drawers, and I'll show you that. In the drawer, there is a blow dryer, and there's a phone, and some water if you want to purchase it, and some glasses. There's shelves. I do like the storage in this cabin. You have some shelves here too. There is a refrigerator, and we put our sodas and our wine in there. There's another little cabinet down here to store some items. We'll probably put some more sodas in there. And then they left us some K95 masks. There is a television facing towards the beds. There's another cabinet. And then the good thing is, I do like the storage. Like I said, there's more shelves, and there's another cabinet. Now, let's take a look at the balcony. And now for the balcony view. There we go out. Now on the balcony, you have two chairs and a small table, and an amazing view. Excuse our luggage because we haven't unpacked yet, but this is a final look at our balcony cabin, and this is how it looks if you set it up for two people to use two twin beds, and they can join the beds if you want to have a king size bed. This is balcony number 6152 on the Carnival Sunshine. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, Journey with the Gingers, we sure hope you do. And we hope you enjoy this video. And we hope that you'll have fun in the future sailing on Carnival Sunshine or any other cruise ship that you choose. Have a great day, and we're looking forward to showing you more from the Carnival Sunshine.